Hey guys, it's time for another paint party. We have a 10" by 10" stretch canvas with some yellow on it, and we're going to do a reverse dip. The colors will be provided in the description as usual. I will be playing music throughout the pour portion. I will come back and we'll discuss the results at the end. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and think of some comments and questions or suggestions that you can add down in the comment section. Share with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd sure like to have you become part of my parties in the future and get to know one another. I have a very limited social circle, so this is it, folks. So I'd really like to have some more friends, so I hope you will subscribe. So let's get ready for some fun. Okay, guys. I will have to babysit this one because I'm having issues with it wanting to run over two sides. I think I've kind of stopped it on this side, but I'll probably have to keep worrying about that one. That would be fine if they all were, you know, and I had actually thought about putting it on a spin table this time and spreading it out. I've never done that, but Fiona does it, and you know, it looks fine. But since I was going to the trouble of using a yellow background, and I particularly, you know, wanted that, it wouldn't do a lot of good to have a yellow background or matter much if you're spreading it out all over the whole canvas. But because this is running over and I've had to touch it, it's not feathery looking like the rest, so that's a little issue. But I don't think it's going to ruin it. I won't be able to put any paint on that side until this starts getting a little tacky. Otherwise, that'll keep running. I've learned that, you know, from experience, so I know. I will just have to leave that until it starts gelling up some, you know, getting thicker, so it won't just keep running off the side. But I'm going to go ahead and get the camera down. It has got lots and lots of lacing. I realize this is a very unique color combo, and I specifically planned it that way. I think that this copper is going to look absolutely marvelous when it dries, and it will set this one apart. And that's, you know, that's what being an artist is about, is not doing something that everybody else does and looks like what everybody else does. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to sell your stuff. You need to come up with ways to be different. And that is my recommendation to you, to find a way for you to be different. Not like me, not like anybody else that you're watching on YouTube. You want to find some way to make your stuff stand out as yours. I'm really digging this. So I'm not going to be upset that I'm going to have to babysit this and keep that from running over there, and to have to actually paint the sides later. That's no big deal, because look at this. I mean, it's beautiful, and it will be, I really expect that it's going to be even more beautiful once it dries. Very unique. Look at those wild looking cells that developed along the edges. That is really weird, isn't it? Weird, but cool. I'm really liking this one. I hope you guys are liking it too. I always say that, don't I? But I really do. I really hope you guys are liking it. And I hope that you'll give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. Share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm trying to rebuild my following with starting a new channel. I haven't deleted the old channel, but I'm not adding any videos on there anymore. So this is, I'm rebuilding from scratch pretty much, and I really could, I could use your support. So I'm going to sign off for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you at the next paint party. Bye.